Hi guys, today we will talk about how to connect Instagram with your account on your Tinder app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile. Then you just click here on this mark here and it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just come to this window, so all you have to do, you go down here and you come here to so connect Instagram. You just click here and it's going to take you to your Instagram and it's going to show for you connect, and you click and it's going to connect Instagram with your account on your Tinder app. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you know you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.